Hi, my name is Titanya, and these are your Everyday Energy Minutes. If you have a debilitating illness, if you can't lose weight, or if you are depressed and in overwhelm and just can't get out of it, this exercise that I'm going to share with you is just perfect. You know, when people come up to my mother, who is Donna Eden, and say, "Oh my goodness, what should I do for this illness?" she always says, balance, triple warmer, and spleen energies. And so I want to tell you a little bit about this, because triple warmer is our inner protector. It is the one that fights for us in survival. And when it does, it's the thing that some of you know, when we go into stress, it's fight, flight, and freeze, or fawn. It is the one that comes up when we are in danger. But in our culture, in so much stress and overwhelm, we are overrunning triple warmer in our bodies. And when we do, we cannot turn it off. It's on alert all the time. Triple warmer energy takes from every other energy source, especially all the energy pathways, the meridians. And what it takes from first is spleen energy. Well, spleen energy, I like to think of spleen as the inner mom. She's the one who really balances and harmonizes all the energies and fluids in your body. She helps metabolize what you are going through. And triple warmer is a little bit of that masculine energy, and spleen is the little bit of that inner mom and dad. And so with spleen energy, we want to bring it some more energy, because triple warmer is on overwhelm and it's in its power. Well, it needs to be calmed down so spleen can take her place in order to make sure that everybody else is in harmony. This exercise is perfect for that. So let's do it, okay? All right. So you're going to rub your hands together and shake them off. Breathe in and out. You're going to take your hands and place them over your eyes. And as you place them over your eyes, breathe in and breathe out, taking your fingers to your temples and breathe out. And then we're going to come up over our ears, following the line of triple warmer, breathing in and out and down your arms, all the way down your arms underneath your rib cage. Come on the outside of your hips, down the outside of your legs, all the way down to your little pinky toe, and then come around your big toe. Come up the center line of your legs, up and up the both sides, and then down on the bottom of your rib cage. And that's how you do it. We're balancing triple warmer and spleen so that it is more harmony in your body, so you can find that cure to your own illness. You can lose weight, and you can get out of your own depression and find more joy. That is the exercise. So put that in your back pocket. And here we are in Ashland, Oregon. It is once the home of the Tequila and Shasta Native tribes. And then it became a hub, a stopover point in the 1800s for the gold rush coming on to the West Coast. And some stopped here, and it became an educational and cultural hub in this town of Ashland, Oregon, where there is so much drama with the Shakespeare Festival here and the School of Oregon State University. Until next week, bye.